Jah could never give the power to a ballad. Sir, I man, see down panny black and I am mates. See down panny black and I am mates. I man, see down panny black and I am mates. What going on at the world, yeah? Well, I man say greetings, you know. In the name of His Imperial Majesty King Jesus Christ. Jah! Over Jah, you know. Ever living, ever secure. And a long time, Rasta Jawge give you a little meds, you know. So I man come forward with more meds. So I man sitting up on the black and I man and meds, you know. Right on the last day of the month of February. And them say Black History, you know. But I know meticulously scrutinized, so them say Black History, but right now I feel like it's a black mystery. Because, you know, the Empress them and the Lion them, I bleach out them skin. John Star is a sin. It's almost like them all look like Mr. White, or a compete to look like Mr. Chin. But them can't win. Them say Black History, you know. But like I said, the eye them lose them self-esteem. Pouring out in the blackness into a keg, or a buckle, a bleaching cream. No man, it come like it's a scheme. When Martin Luther King the ball out say, yo, I have a dream. This I never it. Yeah man, them say Black History, you know. We're not gonna stop believe the lies. Valuing each other's lives based on what we see with our eyes. I wonder if we only realize that we're all made equal and all of us were bought with a price. We're not gonna realize. Them say Black History. But as I say, I see it as a black mystery. I would love if the item have some more self-worth instead of pouring away on the skin tone like it's dust or dirt. The item are created in the image of God. He never created to be white. So what is this fight? We try to look light. Don't be dumb. Our ancestors fought for this freedom and you want to give it away because of a buckle of serum. Don't be dumb. Rasta Jawge said, don't go that way. Do not stray. Proud to be black. Same way we are going to stay. Mans.